All right, tell us what awesome thing you just did.
So, got tired of the fishing poles being tossed around and no place good to put them. So what I did was put 2 racks. Can't remember the name of them. We'll show you the box in a minute. But just put 2 racks under here. Got some of the fishing poles up underneath here. And yeah, I like it. Keeps them all organized.
It looks beautiful and simple.
And it's nice. They just pop right out.
Yeah, show us how you put it.
Just pops right out.
I am happy to report right now that we have our Ram 5500 and it is fixed. I'm so thrilled. The dealer received the drive shaft and we had them install the part the next day. I will say that the Ram Cares option to call really helped tremendously. If you are not getting the response that you expect as part of your dealership, I would highly recommend calling them. They helped us quite a bit in order to expedite the part and really get things going.
This sound is vaguely like War of the Worlds. And that's because of these little buggers. Yeah. They're cicadas. There's carnage everywhere. Time July runs around, they'll be all dead. But, ew, it is interesting to say the least. We were reading a little bit about cicadas and realized that these holes here are most likely from the larvae from these cicadas, and they'll bury themselves and come back in 17 years. There's just so many. Parallel parking, a boat, and a camper.
To the right.
No, it's counterintuitive. You gotta cut left.
I know how to drive.
Well, here we are in steamy North Carolina. Yep, we got in about a week or so, and we decided to park in my dad's backyard. As we were taking it off, we went to pull the stairs out.
And I felt a little bit of a shock.
So I kind of ignored it. But then I walked up to it and I felt it. And you could feel what, in my opinion, was that little bugs crawling all over your fingers.
We just did a fairly major electrical update. So our first question was, did something go wrong?
And I basically disconnected all power from the whole camper. And we still had the same problem. So if you held your fingers up against the leveling legs, and you could actually see little sparks going between your fingers.
1, 2.
not exactly fun.
So we felt pretty confident that it wasn't our electrical system that was causing that.
My dad's backyard, he's got a substantial yard, but part of it is taken up by high tension lines from the local electric company. So you can imagine there's quite the magnetic field that occurs through those. Now, there was a technical term for it, which...
It's called hot skin. We really weren't quite sure what was going on.
Yeah,
the camper.
we loaded it up and moved it over to their driveway, which is well away from those wires.
Yep.
And we have not had that problem since.
Right. So that we thought we'd share this just because it was a weird experience. If you are in a campground or someplace that are near high power tension lines, you may want to second guess yourself.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Perfect.
Okay, that's good.
See ya.